Good morning, class 4. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about chapter 10, that is force, work and energy. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about force. In previous classes, if you study a little about force, then you will learn that in our everyday life, from morning till evening, we are using force. Like whenever we wake up early in the morning, we use our toothbrush. So we push, we pull, we pull, we push. So like this is a use of force for a simple work. Or if you find some persons working hard labor, lifting some heavy weights in the market also, this is also use of force. So force is present in our every sphere of life, every part of life. So here we have to understand that whenever we are working something, we are doing something, we are acting on an object, it means we are using force. Like kicking a ball, throwing a ball, batting. So these all things will be done by force and we applying this force. So what is force? So force is defined as a push or a pull. If you push someone, it is also force. If you pull something towards yourself, it is also force. So a force is defined as a push or pull that may bring the following changes when applied on a body. So if someone asks you what is force, you can say that force is a push or pull. Force is a push or pull. So what kind of changes it creates? So it can make something in motion. Like this bottle is here. So this is what? I just push it. So this is a force. This bottle is at a place and I push it. So when I push it, it moves from its place. So I can create motion in an object by using force. The same way, if it is moving, I can make it stop. Okay, so this is what is force is. I can change the direction like this. So I can change the direction also. By applying force, I can make a stationary object moving. I can stop a moving object. I can change the direction of the object too. So these are the different uses of a force. Now there are several types of force which we comes in contact, which we comes in our daily life. Like this is a contact force. I am touching something and it is moving. So it is a contact force. But suppose I am here and it is moving. So it is what? It is non-contact force. Like the gravity of our earth. We all know that earth pulls everything towards its center. Earth pulls everything towards its center by a force. And that force is called force of gravity. The next is force of friction. Suppose you are writing on a piece of paper, but if there is too much oil on the paper, you are not able to write. So why? Because the surface become too much smooth. बहुत चिकना हो जाता है, आपका पेन उस पर नहीं चलेगा, उसका बॉल फिसलने लगता है. क्यों? क्योंकि वहां पर फ्रिक्शन फोर्स, घर्षण की शक्ति जो है वो खत्म हो गई. So that is the force of friction. For walking, for writing, even when I am telling you, my tongue is touching my upper surface of the jaw and lower surface of the jaw. That is the force of friction. It will help us in performing several types of work. But this force of friction is sometimes useful, sometimes harmful. Okay, because force of friction makes things rub with each other. When they rub with each other, gradually they decay, like the ball bearing of your cycle. Continuous friction and it will damaged. The next thing is our muscular force. Our muscular force. Directly this bottle, I am pulling this. What I am using? I am using my muscle force. So that type of force is called muscular force. So class, today in this video lecture we discussed about force. I hope you are able to understand that a force is a push or a pull. Push means धक्का देना, pull means खींचना. So a force is a push or a pull. And there are different kinds of force, like force of gravitation, force of friction, muscular force is there. So I hope you are able to understand this lecture well. If any problem, ask me class. I will help you. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Read your book again and again. Thank you.